Good morning everyone. Let's eat na po. This is my lunch for today. Look at this one. I have coffee and I have drink. This one is Boko juice today. Okay, so this is my dessert, mango and coffee. This one is chicken adobo. Ang niluto mo kaninang umaga. Okay? Cook with fried it with onions and garlics. Then add the meat, add soy sauce, vinegar, pimienta, no salt here, okay? Then add water, cook until cooked, okay? Yan lang, ganun kasimple ang magluto ng adobo, chicken adobo. I have a cup of rice. So that's my lunch for today. Kain na po tayo. Kain tayo. Okay. Kamusta na po ang aking mga fellow creator? Inom muna ako nito. This is Boko juice. Good po ito in the morning. Drink this one in the morning. And good for UTI kapag may UTI ka, uminom ka nito. But not lagi-lagi. Minsan lang. At least uminom